Have you ever downloaded your 10th Become a Tech Expert in 30 Days PDF?
Only to realize the hardest part was actually opening the PDF?
Or signed up for 5 different courses and proudly told yourself tomorrow is day 1, until tomorrow turned into next month? And let's be honest, most of us don't have a motivation problem. We have a too many tabs open problem. Here's the good news. You don't need an expensive boot camp or a $2,000 laptop to start building real tech skills. Some of the world's best learning resources are completely free. You just need to know where to find them and how to use them effectively. Today I'm sharing 5 free resources that can help you jump into tech right now. Whether you're interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, programming, networking, data analysis, or Linux, these platforms can help you build practical skills without spending a dime. If you enjoy cybersecurity, ethical hacking, AI, and practical tech content, smash that like button. Comment. Which tech field are you trying to learn? And subscribe because every week we help future tech professionals level up. Number 5. freeCodeCamp. If you're completely new to tech, this is one of the best places to begin. freeCodeCamp offers thousands of hours of completely free lessons covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, data analysis, machine learning, responsive web design. Everything is interactive. Instead of only watching videos, you actually complete coding exercises while learning. Even better, many employers recognize freeCodeCamp certificates because they demonstrate real hands-on practice. If you've never written a single line of code before, this is a fantastic starting point. Number 4. Cisco Skills for All. Want to learn networking or cybersecurity? Cisco offers completely free beginner courses through its Skills for All platform. You can learn topics like networking basics, cybersecurity essentials, Linux fundamentals, Python essentials, packet tracer. These courses are designed by one of the biggest networking companies in the world. The practical labs help you understand how computers communicate knowledge every cybersecurity professional needs. Don't just memorize networking. Understand it. Number 3. GitHub. Most beginners think GitHub is only for expert programmers. That's not true. GitHub is one of the best places to learn from real projects. You can explore open source projects, read other people's code, build your own portfolio, collaborate with developers, track your progress. One of the biggest differences between beginners and professionals is this. Professionals don't just consume tutorials, they build things. GitHub gives you a place to showcase your work from day 1 if you're still watching. Comment, Tech Mode activated. And don't forget to like and subscribe because the top 2 resources have helped millions of people launch careers in technology. Number 2. TryHackMe. If cybersecurity interests you, TryHackMe is one of the best practical learning platforms available. Instead of only reading theory, you actually complete guided virtual labs. You'll learn topics like Linux, networking, web security, ethical hacking, digital forensics, security fundamentals. The beginner learning paths explain concepts step by step before letting you practice safely. Remember, always practice inside authorized learning environments. That's what ethical hacking is all about. Number 1. YouTube. Yes, you're already using one of the greatest free learning platforms ever created. Thousands of professionals teach cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux, cloud computing, programming, artificial intelligence, networking. The challenge isn't finding information, it's following one learning path consistently. Avoid tutorial hopping. Choose one roadmap. Finish it, then move to the next skill. Consistency beats intensity every single time. How to learn faster. Watching videos alone won't make you job ready. Here's a better strategy. Learn one concept. Practice immediately. Build a small project. Repeat consistently. Even 1 hour every day adds up to hundreds of hours each year. Progress comes from practice, not perfection. The biggest mistake people make isn't lacking talent. It's waiting for the perfect time to begin. Technology keeps evolving. The sooner you start learning, the sooner you'll start growing. Remember, every cybersecurity expert, every software developer, every data analyst, Every cloud engineer started as a beginner. Your first lesson doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to happen. If this video inspired you to begin your tech journey, smash that like button, comment. Which free resource are you going to try first? Subscribe for more practical cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux, AI, and tech career content every week. Share this video with someone who keeps saying, I want to get into tech. See you in the next tech lesson.